We work with infants and toddlers birth through age 3 that have a developmental delay or a disability, or the family has a concern about their development. They only stay with us until age 3. Many will go to a preschool program with Fairfax County Public Schools. Others will go to a regular daycare. We just want to honor and celebrate the children's growth and the parents' work with their children. Our graduation is really my favorite day of the year. We've done this for a number of years, and it's just refreshing and rewarding to see the parents that are so happy knowing what their child was doing when they came to us and now what their child has accomplished.
Today is a big day. It's a graduation day for the 2 kids that I have, and which means that they completed the 3-year program with early intervention, and they are moving on to the next step, which is preschool. And they have the early intervention program has helped us so much. I have to say that this program is an amazing program, and I would encourage anyone to avail of it.
I think the program is extremely valuable for citizens in Fairfax County. My staff are real committed to it, and we are looking forward to another great year. We're doing a lot of outreach, and we're serving more children, and we want to get every child.